Hi everybody, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. Today we're on board a used 2012 Boston Whaler 32 Outrage Cuddy cabin. The boat is equipped with a pair of 300 horsepower Verado outboards, 4-stroke. Back here you'll see there's a seat that is folded up. Even though it's a Cuddy cabin, she is still fully equipped for fishing. There are fish boxes on both sides of the cockpit floor. You have a full bait station back here under the lid. We'll lift that up. You have full bait station with plenty of room for your fishing tools, a sink, a bait well here also, and of course down below, tackle drawers. So there is plenty of room to do all your fishing on this boat with no problem. There is a full hardtop. The boat does have a full enclosure, and up on the hardtop there is a set of outriggers also. The double helm does have the optional canvas covering for it. So now on the boat, the seats are protected. The upholstery is in great shape on this boat. There's also a cover that goes over the center console. Right now I have the lids up, and on the center console there's dual screens. There's a late model Raymarine touchscreen, and then to the port side there's a wide Raymarine E120. It does have digital shifters. It does have the Mercury vessel view for the engines. There's your shifters, and it does have the stereo, VHF radio, the normal stuff you would see on any of our boats. Overhead storage, overhead console, and above the hardtop here there's also storage for your life jackets. To the port side of the helm, of the console, is a top-loading refrigerator for your, cold cuts, salads, stuff like that. And then you have down here another rack, and in that cabinet there is storage for a couple of bottles. On both sides of the gunnels there are tow rails and fishing rod storage on both sides. Alright, you have a view of the helm seats here. They're all in great shape, in great condition. We're going to move over to the starboard side and walk towards the bow of the boat. And there's an entrance for the head. It does have a vacuum flush head down here. Plenty of stand-up room, very roomy head. Great for your occasional overnight stays. We'll shut this down, move forward. You have another little storage area here and cup holders. Nice seating here in the bow. L-shaped seating for family and friends. And then as you go forward, it is a Cuddy cabin. So once you're in the Cuddy cabin, you can convert this to a full sleeper, and a couple can stretch out for an overnight. And as you can see here, that is a canvas, white canvas. Again, full enclosure for the hardtop. Got a nice nod skid throughout the bow. We're going to take a look from the bow to the stern. The starboard side, plenty of walk around room. Hardtop is nice and tall. I'm 6'1". Got plenty of headroom underneath this hardtop. And down the port side, same thing. Plenty of walk around room. The boat's in great shape. It's in a blue hull, light blue hull. The boat looks great. So come on down, take a look. The boat's ready for your viewing pleasure, and we'd love to see you out on the water. Have a great day now.